Welcome friends to Educational and Technical Tunnel. Today we take Science Class 7 Chapter 14 Electric Current and its Effect PowerPoint Presentation Part 1 Tanad Hore. So let's start now. First point was symbols of electric components. In this slide there was 3 columns. First was electric component, second was picture of electric component, and third was symbol of electric component. So let's start now. First electric component was electric cell. Electric cell, this was a picture of electric cell and this is the symbol of electric cell. We know that the electric cell has two terminals, positive and negative. So the largest line of the symbol represents the positive terminal of the cell and the shortest line of symbol represents the negative terminal of the cell. Now second electric component was electric bulb, and this is a picture of electric bulb and this is a symbol of the electric bulb. Now third electric component is switch in off position. Now in this case the pin and the nail was connected to the wire, but the pin was not connected to the nail. Therefore in this case there was no connection of electricity, and no connection of electricity, that was switch in off position. So in a symbol there was similar first point and second point connected to the wires, but the first point not connected to the second point. Therefore here not connection of electricity, and not connection of electricity shows that a switch in off position. Now fourth is switch in on position. There was similar, but in this case the pin was connected to the nail. So therefore this was a connection of electricity, and connection of electricity shows the switch in off position. Now symbol was also similar. First point connected to the second point, and there was also electricity connection of electricity, and connection of electricity shows that switch in on position. Now fifth electric component was battery. This is a picture of battery, and now this is a symbol of battery. The many cells combination of many cells is called a battery. Two or more cells connection is called a battery. Therefore battery is the combination of many cells. In the first electric component we discussed that the cell has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. So largest line represent the positive, and shortest line represent the negative. In this battery symbol, in the battery symbol there was positive terminal connected to the negative terminal, negative to positive, positive to negative, negative to positive, and positive to negative. Means this was a cell, this was one cell, positive terminal connected to negative terminal connected to positive, and positive to negative, negative to positive, and positive to negative. Means there was four cells that was combined. So combination of two or more cells is called a battery. And a sixth was electric component, that was wire, and this was a picture of wire, and a symbol of wire was very simple. Now our next point was electric cell. We discuss in this slide that electric cells, about electric cell has a positive terminal and negative terminal. We discuss in this point has a positive terminal and negative terminal. The symbol of electric cell has a longer line and shorter line. The longer line is the positive terminal and shorter line is the negative terminal. That was electric cell has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. The symbol of electric cell represent that the longest line is the positive terminal and the shortest line is the negative terminal. What is a battery? A battery is a combination of two or more cells. In a battery, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of another cell. Devices like torches, transistors, toys, TV remote control use batteries. So what is battery? Battery is the combination of two or more cells. First cells positive terminal connected to the negative terminal of second cell, and a second cell's negative terminal connected to positive terminal of another cell. So now the second point is a simple electric circuit. A simple electric circuit can be made by using a cell, electric bulb, switch and wires. The bulb glows only when a switch in a on position and circuit is closed. This was a picture. This was a cell positive terminal and negative terminal of cells connected to the wires, and this is a switch. This is switch, and in this case the pin is connected to the nail. That means the there was a connection of electricity, and this was connected to the bulb. These two wires connected to the bulb. That means the connection of electricity means switch in on position, and when switch in on position the bulb will glow. Now this was another diagram, closed electric circuit. This was the symbol of closed electric circuit. That means this was the cell positive terminal and negative terminal that was connected to the wire, and this was first point, second point. First point connected to the second point. That means this was a connection of electricity, and when connection of electricity there was switch. When connection of electricity there was a switch in on position, so there was bulb was glowing. And in the second diagram there was difference that this is cell connected to the wire, but there was first point not connected to the second point, therefore switch in on off position, and when switch is off bulb is not glow. Now there was third point, heating effect of electric circuit. When electric current flow through a wire, the wire gets heated. This is called the heating effect of electric current. That was electric current flow through wire. When electric current flows through wire, the wire gets heated. This is electric effect of heating effect of electric current. Now there was one activity that shows the heating effect of electric circuit current. Now activity, make an electric circuit as shown in the figure. Take a 10 cm long nichrome wire and tie it between the two nails. Switch on the current. After a few seconds, touch the wire feels hot. Then switch off the current. After a few seconds, touch the wire, it does not feel hot. This shows that the electric current flow through wire, it get heated. Now in this picture, the between the two nails there was connected a nichrome wire. This is a nichrome wire, and when switch is on, the nichrome wire was heated, and when off, in a few seconds this does not feel hot. There was shows that the heating effect of electric current. Now our fourth point was uses of heating effects of electric current. The heating effect of electric current is used in electric appliances like electric heater, electric iron, electric room heater, immersion heater, electric kettle, hair dryer, etc. All these appliances have a coil of wire called an element. When electric flow through the element, it becomes hot and give out heat. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends upon its material, length and thickness. First picture of electric heater, second electric room heater, fourth electric iron and electric kettle. In these such substances there was element get heated and heat was flow through these substances. Now fifth point is electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety devices used in electrical circuits which protects the electrical circuits and appliances and prevents fires. Electrical fuse is used in all electrical circuits in buildings. Electric fuse has a wire which melts quickly and break when large electric current flow through it. Now fuse is used to all buildings and another home or any electric connection. There was use of electric fuse and when there was any problem in electricity, the electric wire present in a fuse there was melts quickly and break when large electric current flow through it. Now sixth point was magnetic effect of electric current. When electric current flow through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called a magnetic effect of electric currents. Now electric current flows through a wire. The wire it behaves like a magnet, and this magnet is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Now this was an activity that shows the magnetic effect of electric current. Take a cardboard, try from a matchbox. Wind an electric wire a few times around the cardboard try. Place a small compass needle inside it. Connect the free ends of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. When the switch is on, the compass needle deflects. When the switch off, the compass needle comes back its original position. This shows that when electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Now our seventh point is electromagnet. When electric current is passed through a coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of iron, it becomes a magnet. Such a magnet is called an electric magnet. Activity: wind a pieces of insulated wire around a nail in the from a coil. Connect the free ends of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. Place some pins near the nail. When electric current is passed, the iron nail becomes a magnet and attract the pins. When electric current is switched off, the nail loses its magnetism. In this picture, the nail was connected to the battery. When switch is on, the pins was connected to the nails, and when switch off, the pins was deflected. Now eighth and last point was electric bell. The electric bell has a coil of a wire wound around a piece of iron which acts like an electromagnet. An iron strip with a hammer is kept close to the electromagnet. This is a connect screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is connected with the screw, current flow through the coil and become electromagnet. It pulls iron strip and the hammer at the end of strip strike the gong of the bell and produces sound. When the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit and the iron strip comes back to the original position and the process repeats. The bell rings. Now in a bell there was also electromagnet, and this is a hammer. When a switch is on of electric bell, the electromagnet push the hammer and there was sound produced near the electromagnet. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please comment, share and subscribe our channel to get a notification such that educational videos. Thank you.